Come test drive this 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including a trip computer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, skid plates, and a split-folding rear seat. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.